But man, out here the scenic is beautiful. I bet you that water is cold. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. If you haven't already, please go down and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell down there. Anyway guys, today we're at Ozone Natural Falls. It's a waterfall up here in East Tennessee. I'm actually on a different time zone now, across the time zone line, but this is a state park for Tennessee. I think it's about a 100-foot waterfall. Figured I'd bring y'all up here and let y'all check it out. Looks like most leaves are down, but there's a little bit of information right here about it. Ozone Falls State Natural Area. One of the 3 highest, most, whatever that word is, waterfalls in Tennessee. Fall Creek tumbles 110 feet to the bottom, so it's 110 feet from top to bottom. You guys might have seen, if you guys went back, or if you guys started following me from the beginning and seen some of my older videos, you see me running through this area from wild pigs and Bigfoot. So I can't remember, I think that's called Chasing Bigfoot. If y'all want to, you can go check that out. But it's November 5th today, and up here in the higher elevations, it's already all the leaves have pretty much fell up here. It's a big tourist area. Everybody comes here to check out the waterfall. This is the top scenic overlook. I'm not going to try to attempt to walk down and do the bottom view, not in riding gear anyway. Just figured I'd come up here and let you guys see the waterfall that's close to the house. Now this is closer than me going to the Dragon or something. I'm kind of on a time crunch, so I'm just going to decide to come up here. You look at the phone, it's 1:07. That's because I'm in Central Time now, so it's technically 2:07 in my time. Gotta be back by 4, so we're here. This is it. The Great Ozone Falls. I want to say this is considered a crossroad. I'm not really sure though. I could be mistaking. Anyway, we're going to try to make our way down here where you guys can kind of see the overlook. My point of view. I'm going to put my keys and my phone down so I don't drop it. I don't know. I'm kind of scared of heights, guys. Not going to lie. But I really don't want to fall off this thing. See, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's a long way down there. Long way down. Hopefully you guys can see that. If not, you guys will just have to come check it out for yourselves. But this is the overlook. You can see creek. That's the 110-foot drop to the bottom. I have heard of people jumping off this thing. You'd be crazy one SOB to be doing that though. In the center down there at the bottom, there's only one deep spot. If you don't hit that deep spot, you're for sure dead, but I think I'd have a heart attack before I even made it down there. Because this is crazy high, guys. I used to jump off bridges back when I was in high school. Like the interstate bridge. I don't even know if it was the interstate bridge, but it was probably only like 50 foot tall. This right here, it's high. Very, very high. It sucks that all the leaves mainly fell already though. You can see out that way, you can see like a better view of all the leaves changing colors. I'll have to bring you guys down at the bottom one day. But anyway, this is the Great Ozone Falls. There's plenty of walking trails around here. But man, out here, the scenic is beautiful. I bet you that water is cold. Very cold. It was kind of chilly riding up here, that's for sure. It's like 62 degrees. Moving, it felt pretty cold. I'm not going to do the 50 degrees or 50 degrees riding this year. Forget that. It might be because I was on the FZ today, so it gets a little bit more wind than what my GSXR 750 gets. If you see any Bigfoots out here, let me know. Or any pigs. All kinds of Bigfoot and pigs out here. It's beautiful out here though. Very beautiful.
How far is it?
Oh, it's right there is the overlook.
Okay, thank you.
I imagine there'd be more fall colors up here, but it looks like everything's done fell right in this area.
Yeah.
How's it going, sir? Well, thank you for your services. You're a veteran?
Yes, I am.
Well, thank you for your service. I always appreciate veterans, guys. If you're a veteran, I appreciate what you've done for this country. It takes a lot of courage to be in the armed forces. I didn't have the courage to do it when I got out of school. I went to trade school for diesel technicians. See, if we walk this way, guys, this goes to the base of the waterfalls. We're not going to be able to have time to do that today, so this is pretty much all I was going to do with this video, is to show you one of the famous state parks that's local to me. So if you're ever out this way, check it out. It's worth looking at. Until then, guys, ride safe, stay safe. I'll see you on the next video.